guys, today na-receive ko na yung DJI Osmo 360 ko. And yan na, nabuksan ko na yung box. So yung box niya, may laman siyang ito, yung I guess yung stick and yung accessories and then yung actual camera. The box comes with itong actual camera. May kasama na rin siyang yung cover. Nilagay ko na siya kaagad dito sa Osmo 360 yung camera. Tapos nilagay ko na dito din yung kasama the adventure combo yung kinuha ko. It has 3 batteries. Akala ko dalawa. Akala ko isang extra battery lang pero tatlo pala siya. Yung isa yung actually with the camera tapos dalawang extra. Tapos may charging case. And it comes together with yung invisible stick na I guess extendable to. I figure out ko mamaya. Pero alam ko na-extend to eh. Or not. I guess not. I think it's just CD for this. I guess so. Okay. So, i-figure out ko mamaya para siya nag-extend. Then, it comes together with the bag na may mga accessories. It's yung kanyang charging cable which is USB-C to USB-C naman. Tapos, ito may wipes for the lens kasama and may kasama siyang yung mount, I guess for the ito yung magnetic mount ata to, I don't know. Doon sa invisible stick. Tapos together with this, of course may mga guides, nandito yung warranty, right? Nandito siya. I-figure natin paano natin malalagay yung battery. Paano ba to? Paano ba to? Ito. Ito yung para sa battery. I know, this is yung charging case. So I guess, open it. Then, down. Let's open. Let's lagay natin yung battery. Ayan, so one of the batteries here. Okay. Ayan siya. Ayan, mag-lock na siya. Ganun. Parang pa-unlock pala to. Ang gawin niyo, open to, tapos baba. You can turn on the camera. Pero sige, remove muna natin tong protector. Turn on. Okay. Tapos, pin natin English. And skip button. Activation will protect device. Scan code to download app. Okay, so we need to use our phone para i-scan to para ma-activate siguro yung device. So yun guys, na-activate ko na siya and pinatay ko lang pero ayun, sinacharge ko yung battery. And pwede nyo pala mag-add dito ng SD card. So wala pa akong SD card pero meron ako dyan nakatago somewhere. Hanapin ko pa. Pero yeah, so this is the DJI Osmo 360. So I can't wait to try it out outside.